dips served here are so good, but this one is on top of the list. It's my most favorite one. It's straight from the farm and it's so fresh too. I think it's made of milk. And I keep ordering this again and again because of how much I love it and it tastes so good as well. And it's like the best pair with bread. And this bread is so fresh too. Best combo ever. This is what it looks like. I actually asked them if I could buy it, but since it's fresh from the farm every single day, they said no, unfortunately. If I could have bought it, then I would have took like gallons of it to Dubai. I'm gonna be continuing to eat a lot of this right now. So yummy.
Now comes the sad part.
We're gonna leave.
Yeah, we're just gonna leave Gabala, not the full Azerbaijan. We'll be here in Azerbaijan for the next 5 more days.
Yeah, in Baku.
Yes. So now we're gonna head over to Baku.
Yeah.
And we'll be exploring Baku for the next 5 days.
Yeah, it's a city area too.
Yeah. Gabala is countryside. We love countryside more than city side. But yes, Baku is also a very, very exciting place as per the vlogs that we have watched.
Yeah.
It's gonna be fun.
Yeah, we're equally as excited to explore the city side
exactly.
as well.
Yeah.
Yeah, but we're gonna miss this villa so much. It's like our own home
now.
Yeah, exactly.
Yeah.
You're so comfortable with this place as well.
For the last 5 days and 4 nights we were here, and this is just like our own home now.
Exactly.
Yeah. Our car driver is waiting outside, so we need to move now. So let's go to Baku.
Oh.
You guys have to join us while we explore Baku. Beros is here helping us to take our bags to the car.
Yes.
Thank you, Beros.
Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
We're coming from Vogue.
Oh, okay, really interesting.
Okay, so can you give us a room tour?
Yes.
I heard your apartment is the best.
It is. Come on, let's go.
Okay.
Okay, so we just settled in and we just get the bags over there for now. And we've also got a few bags inside, but I'm just trying to hide the mess and cover up. And that's exactly why I'm doing the room tour as soon as possible, because I don't want to mess things up as usual. So let's start with the kitchen. It's a really huge kitchen. Come on. You guys won't believe the size of this kitchen. It's actually insane. Like, I don't even know what to say. I think it's like the size of a badminton court. We can literally play badminton.
I can see that.
It's huge, I know.
Huge.
Yeah, yeah. And there's also like a small little table if you want to dine immediately after eating, and a laundry area in the corner. Okay, now let's move on to the living room. Okay, so this is the living room. We've got 2 huge couches actually, it's pretty big. And another dining table over there, and a table, and also a TV. And something really weird, something that I find really weird about this place is the fact that there's a bed in the living room, But yeah, I think it's a pretty cool idea, you know.
Yeah, because this whole space will be empty.
Yeah.
It's a cool idea that they've thought of putting this bed over here in this humongous living room. And then I think you can also show the balcony view.
Yeah, but it's nighttime, so I don't think you'll see it from the angle anyway.
It's really dark outside.
Ooh. Guys, it's giving major Europe vibes.
Europe vibe. Look at this. This area is Nizami Street and we are in the heart of Baku. Everything is just walkable distance from here, our apartment.
Okay.
All right, let's
Now
continue
next.
with the other rooms.
Okay, so we have 3 bedrooms and 2 washrooms. But this is also technically a bedroom because it has a bed. So it's basically 4 bedrooms. Okay, so let's start with this bedroom first. There's not much going on, it's just a bed and a dressing table and cupboards. Yeah.
All the bedrooms are huge, right? Normally, it's very difficult to find such huge apartment in Nizami Street.
Yeah.
We are so lucky,
I
isn't
know, I'm so
Yeah.
glad. Okay, next let's go to the other bedroom, which is right over here. This one's also just a bed and cupboard. And this is actually the back side of the building view, so there's not much going on.
Yeah, the view from the hall is really good, right?
Yeah, the view from the hall is really good. The view from the 2 bedrooms are not the best because it's the back side, but it's still okay, it's not the worst.
I didn't even see them. I mean, how do you even open this? Okay.
Oh my gosh.
Okay, forget.
Ooh, that building looks so good. I just noticed it during the dark.
How do you open this? The balcony is huge, right?
Yeah, the balcony is huge. That building looks so nice.
Oh, you can see the flame towers.
Okay, so now let's move on to the last bedroom. Okay, this one's actually really, really huge. So there's a bed, a dressing table, a balcony as well as the same view, so I'm not going to show you guys, and a cupboard. This one has an attached washroom with it, so let's go to the washroom. This is what the washroom looks like. So yeah, I almost forgot there's actually one more washroom, guys. It's over here. This one's the bigger one.
Ooh. You can literally play football over here.
I know, right? Okay, so yeah, that's about it about the room tour. So now we're gonna mess everything up. So yeah, that's it. Bye-bye.
my
good
loves.
evening.
What's up? So yeah, this morning we did a little tour of Baku.
Baku.
We did a little shopping. After
ate
that, we
lunch.
had a lunch. Yes.
Yeah, and then we got back home and we took a nap, and
Yeah.
now we're dressed to celebrate her birthday.
Yes. It's not my birthday today,
It's her
but
pre-birthday
Yes,
celebration.
I'm celebrating my pre-birthday here in
Yeah.
Baku this time.
Yeah, I'm so excited.
Yeah, me too.
Yeah.
It's Baku this time.
Yeah, it was actually supposed to be celebrated in Europe, but because
Yes. Unfortunately, one of our visas got rejected. You guys
Yeah.
know Schengen visa. It always depends on your luck.
yeah, but regardless of that, we're still having a lot of fun in Azerbaijan.
Yes, Baku is giving all the European vibes, so we don't miss Europe now.
Yeah.
anymore.
We're
Yeah.
actually glad we came here instead.
Exactly.
Yeah.
Yeah, and it's very close by to Dubai. We can come here anytime.
I think it's like 2 hours.
3 hours, yeah.
Almost 3 hours.
Yes,
yeah. That's it.
So anytime we can drop by here.
Yeah.
So yeah, we just got dressed up. We both are wearing
Cute.
dresses.
I'm wearing this cute dress.
Mine is also cute, okay?
It
Mine is not that
Hers is
cute.
brown, mine's grey.
Mine
no,
is
hers is
giving
really
all
cute
the fall
too.
vibes.
Yes, it's really perfect for the fall, autumn aesthetic.
Yeah.
Mine's good for the like proper winter, I think. You know, hers is like brown, mine's gray, so mine's like more wintry. But yeah, anyways, let's go down. I actually saw the cafe when I was like walking by, and it's
all
so beautiful.
Yeah. It's all Zen's plants today.
Yeah, because the cafe is like pink and it's so cute. So it really suits with the girly aesthetic.
Let's go and see.
Yeah, let's go.
So yes, this is our building, and this is where Zen is planning to celebrate my birthday.
So since it's Jig's birthday, we decided to dine at this cafe just to celebrate her pre-birthday. And this is what the cafe is looking like. It's so beautiful. It's so beautiful. I love the pink aesthetics of this place. It's like Love Vibe Cafe at Dubai. Actually, this place is called Love City. This cafe is literally called Love City. As you can see over there, it's Love City. But yeah, anyways, so that's where I'm sitting in that corner. But yeah, anyways. Okay, anyways, yeah, so this is this place. I love every little corner of this place. It's so nice. It's such an aesthetic. And this is the corner where I'm sitting. She's just taking pictures. Right, so they just told me that upstairs is a lot better. So right now I'm just walking upstairs and I'm loving this entry area already because of the teddies. It's so cute. Oh my gosh, let's just go upstairs. Oh my god. Whoa. This place is insane. Wow, this place literally looks like a club. Are you seeing the wall decors? And the amount of flowers. They've got a tub in the middle as well. This entryway is everything. There's a small little cute spot over there to take pictures. And Tinkerbell. Oh, that's so cute. Let's go inside. Oh my god. This is actually crazy. This is actually insane. Oh my god. I'm literally out of words right now. I don't even know what to say. There's this cute spot for children's makeup. And this huge fake cake. And this whole place in general. Oh my god. Oh my gosh, this place is perfect for birthday vibes. I'm literally gonna tell chicks to come up here and sit there right now to grab a lot of pictures. They've got this 360 photo booth thing. And this arch made of flowers. Wow. And then it goes on to a yellow aesthetic. Next time when I'm coming to Baku, I'm gonna make sure to dine here every single day. I honestly feel bad that I didn't discover this cafe way before. If I did, I would have come here every single day.
Pomegranate. Azerbaijani pomegranate. Local burger. Local cucumber.
And we are also local.
So I just came to the UGG store, and this is the only UGG store in the whole of Azerbaijan. So I'm definitely gonna get one of these because this store is not there in Dubai. So this is like my right opportunity right now. So I'm gonna choose which one's the best one from all of these collections, and I might go for the one over there because that's the one that's trending, and that's in brown, but they also have it in black. So I think I might go for one of those. So UGG is an Australian brand, as you can see. Okay, now look at these. You don't really see these colors in any UGG collection. These are actually limited edition, which makes them even cooler. I love this color. I like this one more actually because it's brown and it goes with the fall aesthetics. This one's so cool. It looks really comfy too. Okay, this one's my most favorite one. This one's actually 425 manat, which is around 900 dirhams, which is around $250. So this one is my most favorite one. I really like this. I love the high tops. It looks good. Home, so let's do an unboxing of the UGGs. Wow, I'm so excited. This feels so good.